All right, unexpected package delivery to my front door. That's pretty cool. So let's get into this box and see what's going on. This is Slow Stacker. This is day 13 of my quarantine. Steve Rice. Somebody hooked it up. This is out of control. Bevmo, what? What? Let me just clear this out here. And then let's see what's going on. So there's two boxes. Interesting. See what else this is. Oh no. No way. I think this might be out of control. All right. Whew. Samuel Smith IPA. And these are actually cold. All right, let's see what we got here. Wow. I don't know who it's from. All right. Bear Republic Brewing Company. Racer 5. India Pale Ale. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right, guys? It's funny. So I got Racer 5 IPA. Let's see if I can set this up here. Whoa. I got Samuel Smith India Pale Ale. Samuel Smith's Nut Brown Ale, and there's 4 of those, so that's good. That's cool if you don't like IPA. And Belching Beaver Melty Hops. That's cool. I haven't had that yet. So this is day 13 of the 14-day quarantine. And as a first responder, I came into contact with somebody who tested positive for the beer flu. So, yeah, and the wife's pregnant, so we're not taking any chances. I had to call into the EOC, the Emergency Operations Center, and they put me on a 14-day quarantine. So here I am. We're almost out of the woods here, guys. So whoever sent this to me, thank you so much. That is like huge. I've been drinking water and like very, very limited amounts of soda and things like that. So this will be a welcome change. Yeah, that'll definitely lift your spirits. See what I did there? I had in mind to do something a little different today, but you know, this is this is what you get. So it looks like even Belching Beaver is seeing the effect of the quarantine, the lockdown. Like these are blank aluminum cans of stickers. So that's actually what happened here. I took the sticker off of a beer can and stuck it on top of my Royal Mint box. I also put my Pirates Life Scallywag Pirates Life coffee sticker on there too. I can't find this. Maybe it was a really limited run. I don't know. But I just ordered some Blackbeard's Delight coffee from Black Rifle Coffee Company, so that it will be nice. And probably crack into some of this later tonight. So update on the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. That's crazy. Like I've blown up overnight. I'm at like 800 subscribers, or 830 last I looked today when I woke up. So thank you for that. And I'm really excited. I'm thinking about maybe well, I'll save that for later. I'll save that that announcement for later. So this is Slow Stacker. I'm stacking beer, I guess. Gonna have to drink it, and I hope that I didn't probably didn't face reveal in this can. I didn't think about that until just now. Gotta get pretty low to get my face in there. All right, cool. This is Slow Stacker. I'm stacking beer and stacking silver. Stacking it slow. Catch you guys later on. Bye-bye. Right on. So it's later. What you see before me is my ever-changing EDC. So it's later. Like I said, I've had some Racer 5 IPA. It's delicious. I also have partaken in some of the Melody Hops Double IPA by Belching Beaver. And it's actually a collaboration with Belching Beaver and Revision Brewing Company. It's 8.8% alcohol by volume, and it's delicious. Melty hops. Got a little Salvador Dali thing going on there. So I figured it was time for an update on the EDC. I don't think a lot has changed. Maybe just a little bit on how I'm carrying it. You know, I've got my whole like skull chapstick thing from Target, which is kind of stupid but fun to carry. And people are like, "Whoa, what is that?" And you're like, "I'm putting chapstick on." So shut up. Whatever. So let's get this out of here. Get out of here. One thing I've added, and I don't always carry cards, but it's fun and like premium playing cards. So these are by Theory 11. If you just Google Theory 11, or I think it might be theory11.com, they have tons of different kinds of cards. And I don't know. Yeah. Neil Patrick Harris has his own. And there's actually a puzzle in this, which is pretty legit. I don't know how many steps there are in the puzzle. I'm only like three steps into it. But let's check these cards out for a second. These tuck cases are legit. Like, how nice does that look? It's got the NPH monogram in there. Come on. So it's like NPH, NPH, NPH all the way across. I can't remember if there was something in there. No. Nothing in the bottom there. But then, like, look at these. With some jokers. Anyway, The face cards are cool. But like here, let me give you a little sneak peek into this puzzle, because why not? It says this, come on baby, this is going to be a challenge. Just as a spider spins its web, I've taken a page out of Cardano's book and created a puzzle. Look upon photos and images inside this deck. You can do this. Just look closely at the cards. Good luck. NPH. Neil Patrick Harris. The backs are all the same. You got like a lock design, top and bottom, and then like moon and star. And I don't know if this is like crescent moon or what's going on there, but anyway, Theory 11 makes really cool cards, and these are all the same all the way across. So this is like some kind of puzzle, and so you can see there's a sun there. There's a moon there, so like light and dark. I don't know. Anyway, pretty cool. So I don't know. I've actually already solved this part of it, but and moved on to the next part. But beautiful cards, and that's what it's really all about, is having a cool premium deck of cards that you can mess around with and play with. So that's what led me to buy the Navigators, which I'll show you. Stop me if I'm boring you. The tuck case has got like just gold waves. Oh, there it is. Come on, baby. That's going to be impossible. Cerca trova. Seek and you shall find. That's what it says on the inside. Another Theory 11 playing card. This one doesn't have a puzzle, but dude, look at these. I just love it. So I think maybe my next bridging topics here, my next tattoo might have a nautical theme. I might get like a kraken taking down a pirate ship or something like that, but I like this stuff. So, and these cards, like, look, the Ace of Spades got like a whale tail. That's legit. Okay, so and these are obviously premium. I can't remember how much I paid, $9 or $10 for the deck. But if you like it, it's worth it, right? I don't know. The Jokers are cool too. It's like a mermaid's tail holding a beer bottle. I don't know, and they're the same. And it comes with comes with an advert card. And then it also comes, this is kind of handy if you're like into Magic or whatever, a double backed card, which is kind of cool. Like you're not gonna, I just dropped half of the deck. You're not gonna, you know, if you have use for a double backed card, that's neat. So, cards aside, kind of fun. So back to the EDC. I don't always carry cards, but sometimes I do. EDC wise, same gun, magazine. If you don't carry a magazine and you're carrying a CCW, shame on you, because when you need to clear a malfunction or reload because you're half empty or something like that, and you're carrying a tiny gun or whatever, if you don't have one, you're in big trouble. So just carry an extra magazine. There's my expertise talking. I've changed a little bit very recently into how I'm carrying medical gear. And I don't have my trauma shears here right now. They're in the truck. But let's just get into it. So I've very recently relocated my ankle kit, and this kit is it's not 100%, but it's pretty darn good. You know, I've got my Scallywag dagger on there. It doesn't really print very much. I mean, it sticks out a little bit more than I would like. I'd like a low pro clip mount on there, but whatever. Carry it. That's the main thing. Carry it. I've got an extra row of Molly here. I don't know what I should carry there. Give me an idea. If you have an idea of what I should carry there, throw it at me. I just threw these in here today. Got a little Gerber suspension plier kit. I think I got this at Home Depot for like $29.99. Oh. But anyway, it's got all kinds of goodies on it. And it's lockable. So when you pull out a tool, like your blade or whatever, it locks. This locks. And so if you want to close it, you have to pull this down on both sides to lock it up. Flathead. Almost a Phillips. I mean, you're going to get by. Like, it really is. Am I ever going to use the stinking saw in here? Probably not. Okay. Looks like there's a serrated blade on here. So there's two blades. A bottle opener. That'll come in handy. A really tiny flathead. Let me open these. Tiny flathead. I'm not really sure what that is. Lanyard? Something to hold a lanyard onto or something? I don't know. And shoot, there's even a pair of stinking scissors up in here. Gonna make me lose my mind. I already lost it. Look at my gaw. I've already lost my mind. Okay, putting this crap away. Enough of the Gerber. I've got a I don't even know what gen this is. 7. I've got a tourniquet in here. The rounded bar for the softy tourniquet, and a thin windlass. They added this plastic windlass catch on there to help you, similar to a cat tourniquet, and then this locking device. This is my favorite to put on someone. I think a cat T tourniquet is better to put on yourself because it's easier application. But the soft T is better for yourself, I think. And that is 1.5 inches. And I'm not sure exactly what gen it is, but whatever. And there's a spot for time on there too. And then in this main Velcro pouch, I have a small Israeli bandage because why not? I've thought about throwing some gauze in there too, but whatever. I mean, like, I may not. It's not really that much extra space. And then you guys have seen this bad boy. This is a Scallywag dagger in 440C. Flat dark earth finish. It's a stabbing device. You can stick your bottom 2 fingers in there and then get a good, just set it down into your knuckles and get your thumb up here, and you're pretty good into just going to work. Right? Okay, so that's that. Let me put this back in here because it's only sharp really at the tip. It's not sharp on these edges. It's made to stab. It's made to impale. Very fun. Worth the money. EDC knife, seatbelt cutter combination, SOG Flash 2, Trident, SOG Trident, not a Flash 2, SOG Trident. Same exact design, the only difference is seatbelt cutter and the blade. The blade's a little different. This company is legit, you guys. They test their blades, quality control. Not every blade, obviously, but they fire a bullet at their blade. So they make sure that they're putting a good product out. So this is my EDC knife. I use it to cut boxes open, whatever. Let's talk about Warrior Poet Society. Warrior Poet Society is another YouTube channel. The dude on there is amazing. And if you are about protecting your family, if you're about standing up for your rights, if you're about any of that good stuff, the good, manly, stoic things, then go over to Warrior Poet Society, and I'll put a link, or I'll probably put his channel in the bottom there. I think his name is John. But anyway, totally funny, good stuff. Doesn't matter what religion you are. Doesn't matter what creed you hold to. Warrior Poet Society. He's legit. You should check him out. I carry this coin. This is a Counseling Team International coin because I am a peer support person at work. So I talk to people about stuff and direct people to resources. So at this time, it's 15 minutes into this video. It's probably longer because I shot the beer box opening, but I don't care. Listen, if you're going through stuff, don't choose a permanent solution to a temporary problem. Go to the counselingteaminternational.com. You can look up resources. You can reach me at slowstacker with 2 R's at the end at gmail.com. And I will talk you through whatever you want to talk about. I mean it. So that's that. So peer support. And then obviously you gotta have sunglasses. I have very sensitive eyes, so I gotta have glasses. And then keys. Now here's what I really wanted to talk about. Who cares about the keys? You gotta have like your car key, and you gotta have your house key. But what do you carry it on? If you carry it on a lanyard, cool. If you carry it on a carabiner, this is a climbing carabiner. I take these through like airports. I take them through non-permissive environments. Nobody ever bats an eye about this, right? But what do you have? What do you have? You've got something. I mean, it's not perfect, but you got something that you can really inflict some pain. It might hurt you. If you do it this way, the gate is going to probably get you, but if you're using this part, okay? I'm just saying, think about that. And then, like, you guys, I'm sure you've heard of zebra pens. They're a steel pen. Carry a steel pen. And you can take a pen in with you wherever you want. I don't really have a whole lot else to say. I don't really. God bless America. I'll say that. God bless America. But I really appreciate you guys watching this video. And shoot, it's almost 18 minutes. It's going to be longer than 18 minutes with my intro. This is Slow Stacker, and I'm stacking it slow. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. CYNTO. CYONTO. Whoopsie. That's the beer talking. All right, boys and girls. Catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.